In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off fast charging on this device. First of all, go into settings and scroll down. Then click on battery and device care. Now tap on battery section, scroll all the way down and select more battery settings. Finally, scroll down again and click on this switcher next to fast charging to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!